highly recommend this activity. Hotel pickup and drop-off from tour company. When we arrived at the paragliding base, clear instructions were given to us. Safety was number one priority and pilots took their time to explain everything. They were all friendly and kind. I had the best pilot. The activity was so much fun. It was definitely an experience to remember. Definitely not for the faint-hearted. Takeoff was nerve-wracking, but once you're high up there, everything got peaceful. It was a great memory. The photos were taken with a wide-angle camera, so the view looks small, but in reality the Himalayas looked even larger and were unobstructed and powerful. I got a little dizzy halfway through, but the experience was worth it. Paragliding has a high CP value, and the price is about the same as the actual local purchase price. The itinerary includes photos and videos, hotel pickup and drop-off, which is very convenient. Enjoyed the experience. Location is great, not far from a subway station and only 15 minutes ride from all the sites. There are lots of restaurants and shops nearby. Cheerful and welcoming atmosphere. Thanks for the hospitality. We'll be back. Ordering is very convenient. A representative will escort you to the designated takeoff location. In addition to the designated pickup location, you can also tell the driver where you'd like to be dropped off along the lake. Thank you to both the divers, Sujan, for taking care of us during the paragliding. We had an incredible time and enjoyed it immensely. Oh, what a day it was! Right from the pickup at the hotel till the drop back to the hotel, I can't fault it. The paragliding part itself was amazing. Roshan, who was my pilot, made sure I was comfortable before the flight and gave me instructions about the do's and don'ts before flying. And the flight itself was oh so good. Roshan made an extra effort to fly higher than all the paragliders that were flying that day. Plus he can do tricks if you want. I didn't have the stomach to do that. But big up to Roshan and Hanuman Paragliding. Please get in touch with this bunch of enthusiasts when in Pokhara. It feels great to spin around in the sky while looking at the amazingly beautiful scenery, and it's so much fun. He sent me photos and videos right away _. Skillful flight and amazing view. I was very happy.